Hey everyone, I wanted to go through the process of reviewing and approving your bid responses. So after a bid's been sent out and a vendor or subcontractor responds, you will get a notification via email. You can use that link to access the bid, or you can always come within the project to the approvals tab and head on over to bid requests. Within here, you'll be able to see your original bid as well as any bid submissions made over here on the right. You can easily compare the total costs and then go in and review details, as well as message with the vendor over here on the right. And then if you'd like, you can go ahead and decline or accept this. When we accept, we do have a couple notification options. You can choose to notify the vendor of their acceptance and notify other vendors of the bid closure, all via email, or you can choose to turn these off. That will be up to you on a bid by bid basis. But when we do accept a bid, this does automatically update our project. So if we head on over to the project estimate and we go look at concrete, we will see that the flat work labor and materials have been updated to Lens Concrete, the chosen vendor, as well as the associated costs and quantities. Please let us know if you have any questions. You can always reach out to your Ressio customer success coach. Thanks so much.